was a professional cartoonist, but one day he decided to let the common man from R.K. Lakshman's world tell his own story. Sharad Sharma has travelled the length and breadth of the country, teaching people how to tell their own stories through cartoons. Sharad Sharma's unique journey makes him our next real hero.
A bike zooms by somewhere in the dry deserts of Rajasthan. A young girl plays outside her house. The biker and his friends are on a mission of spreading the message to the villages of Rajasthan that it's okay to be a girl child. Gabbu studies in class 8. Life has been unfair, only because she's a girl. And she had no way to vent her take on life till Comic Power came her way. Now she sketches her feelings with this comic strip. Across the country, from the northeast to Bihar to Rajasthan, one man has been trying to give a voice to the stories of the common man through comics. Sharad Sharma was a successful professional cartoonist in Delhi, but something he felt was not right.
मुझे लगता था ये लालू या कुछ जया ललिता का कैरेक्टर भी मुझे ऊपर चिल्लाता है और बोलता है कि क्या करते हो तुम, रोज बैठ के मुझे ड्रॉ करते हो। क्यों नहीं आम लोगों की खबरें अखबारों में या टेलीविजन में दिखाई देती। इन सब चीजों ने झकझोरना शुरू किया। मुझे लगा कि नहीं, शायद अब निकलना चाहिए, कुछ नई चीजें करनी चाहिए।
That's when the idea of a cartoon workshop was born. Sharad started off with a 5-day workshop in Mizoram, the first of its kind in the northeast. He went on to train women panchayat functionaries in Rajasthan, activists in Bhopal, and even took his workshop to Pakistan.
मैं शायद अपनी स्किल, अपनी चीजें, अपनी बातें लोगों तक कार्टूनिंग के द्वारा पहुंचा सकता हूं, तो लोग भी एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं उन सब चीजों में। यहीं से उस मीडिया को, उस स्किल को लोगों में इम्पार्ट करने की बात शुरू हुई और यहीं से वर्कशॉप का एक आइडिया आया और लोगों के पास सिलसिलेवार कॉमिक्स के वर्कशॉप शुरू हुए।
Sharad has a name for what he does. He calls it, quite simply, grassroots comics.
ये सारा का सारा कॉन्सेप्ट धीरे धीरे करके एक शेप जो उसने बाद में लिया, उसको हमको समझ में आया कि सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग, स्टोरीज, लोकलाइज कैरेक्टर, लोकलाइज स्टोरीज, लोकलाइज इश्यूज, ये चीजें मिलकर ये जो रूप लेती है वही शायद ग्रासरूट कॉमिक्स का है।
Thanks to Sharad's belief in comic power, Gabbo in Barmer is dreaming big. She wants to be a doctor and is no longer ashamed of being a girl anymore.
These were just 6 real heroes of North India. On the 60th anniversary of India's independence, we salute the untiring efforts of these brave men. Next week, we travel to the east of the country to meet some more unsung heroes. But before that, I'd like to dedicate this song to the brave efforts of these men. बोल के लब आजाद हैं तेरे, बोल के लब आजाद हैं तेरे, बोल ज़बां अब तक तेरी है, बोल ज़बां अब तक तेरी है।